However, though the things that stand out really with Ethereum are that we are back above the 250-day moving averages, as well as the ascending 2020 ascending trend line. So now we have an area of support, although there isn't a lot of space there for it to fluctuate. So it is possible that we could cut below the 200-day simple moving average on any weakness. But yesterday we did almost extend the rally to the declining trend line of the descending triangle, which was a target that I had for the move. So some type of consolidation within this area here is likely plausible at this point. Nevertheless, we saw a pretty good gain over the 6 days of just about 25%, which doesn't take us beyond the May levels, but it's superior to what we've seen, the bounces we've seen through this corrective process that's been going on since the end of May. So that adds to the impulsiveness of the move and solidifies a low. On the downside, really, what we need here is for Ethereum to hold the February 2021 high at 2041. That's really key on a daily closing basis. If we manage to hold that, we should be free to break out beyond this descending trend line of the declining trend line and descending triangle. If we can't hold that, then we will revisit once again the 1700 area. As long as that holds, this is still part of a corrective process. And a close below the 1700 area leaves us exposed to a much deeper decline with the 2018 high coming into play for sure. So for now, on the upside, if we get a close above this trend line of the descending triangle, we're free to really rally up into this area, which is about 3,000. We'll probably find resistance at about 3,000. But I suspect we're going to see some consolidation within this area in a coiling fashion, maybe taking the form of a rising wedge. We'll see, and then going higher. Otherwise, on the downside, 2041 needs to hold. Okay.
Okay. On the other hand, I'm looking at 2018 level, which 2018 to 1850 level, although I'm pretty sure it's not going to go this deep, the retracement. I'm looking at a bounce at the 2018 level, leading into a swing high, which let me just talk about this particular swing impulsive move here. It swept the highs over here, which is right. So it swept the highs here, and which is a good sign. So now I'm expecting this pullback to so 2018 seems like a really good level for it to come down here. So what so the kind of price action that I'm seeing right now, Ethereum do, it would be something like this, a dip, and then sweep the highs over here, right? So this seems like a good level for ETH to go. But if we see, there could be a pullback here once ETH reaches 2640. But if there is if there's an upswing like this, I'm pretty sure we're going to tag the range high, which is approximately 2,900. Right, not a lot happening on the on-chain metric side for Ethereum and Bitcoin. So yeah, expect this W pattern to be completed all the way through to this level. Right, so this. Right, so yeah, this is what I'm looking at. Like this is the basis for my projection of this over here. And since Bitcoin is also looking really good, I don't expect this pullback to go much deeper.